I don't know if everything's okay with me and Adrian, but I'm probably about to Skype Donovan. I hope everything's fine. Because I texted him this morning. I said, good morning. He's like, good morning. I was like, what are you doing? Hitting a future Q. And then I was like, so are you okay? And he's like, I still don't know. And I was like, okay, I just don't want anything to happen between us. Because right now it feels like we're not good. Or I just want us to be good, and doesn't feel like we are. And he never texts me back. And he hasn't texted me back. So good morning. Hopefully today's a good day. I have a dentist appointment.
Look at these other birds like, hey! Stop being a fatty! Birds. Now you're being a tip?
What is wrong?
Oh my god!
While this is connecting, because I'm Skyping Blake, because he's making me into a better mood, because I was right. Things have been going around about me to Adrian, and yeah. So yeah. I don't know what to do. It sucks. It really does. Why does it say I'm offline? I'm not offline. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. I just text Blake. Let's talk to him. This sucks. I hate this. Why don't I try? I told Aubrey, I said, why did I even try? And he's like, don't say that, don't give up. And I'm just like, there's no point. I'm just gonna shut down my computer. I think that's what I need to do. Shut down. Shut down. Does it say I'm offline? No. Blake? We're gonna have a problem. And then Donovan's over here not helping at all. Stop. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna lay down and talk to Blake. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.